In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project on Clockify. By the end, you'll confidently set up a clean, organized project that's ready for accurate time tracking and reporting. Start by heading to the Clockify website and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open the Projects section. This is your hub for everything project related, from creation to management. Next, create a new project. At the top right of the projects page, click the plus new project button. This opens the project setup form where you'll enter all the important details. Begin with the project name. Choose a clear name that makes sense to your team, like a client name plus the specific initiative, or a concise internal label. Good naming conventions make reports easier to read and keep your workspace tidy. If you work with clients, you can assign a client. This is optional, but helpful if you want to group time and reports by a specific client. If you don't need it, you can leave it blank. Pick a color for the project. Colors are purely visual, but they're a great way to quickly spot projects on timelines and in lists. Choose something distinct from other projects to avoid confusion. Decide on privacy. Public projects are visible to everyone in your workspace, which is convenient for general or company-wide work. Private projects are visible only to selected members, which is best for sensitive or client-specific tasks. Choose the option that matches your team's needs and data sharing policies. If you'd like, add tasks inside the project. Tasks such as editing, posting, or admin work help you categorize time entries and keep your reports structured. You can add a few core tasks now and refine later as your workflow evolves. Keep task names short and action-oriented so entries stay consistent. You can also assign team members, add the people who will work on this project, and adjust their access if necessary. For private projects, make sure everyone who needs to track time or view details is included. Clear access upfront prevents confusion later. If you bill for your time, enable billable and set an hourly rate. Setting the correct rate here ensures your reports and invoices are accurate and saves you from manual adjustments down the line. When everything looks good, click Create or Save. Your new project will appear in the projects list, fully configured and ready to use. That's it. Your Clockify project is set up and organized for smooth, reliable time tracking.